Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Oittm forehead and ear thermometer. Features are dual mode design. Important, always keep the lens clean. Earwax on the sensor lens will give inaccurate measurements. Dual mode infrared thermometer, not thermometer, not the thermometer. No, your thermometer is one thing. Is the probe cover. Take it off when measuring ear temperature. There is another part that is the probe, the rating label, LCD display screen, forehead button and ear button, and Celsius and Fahrenheit button. That's the way it is. Adjust to the room temperature is this device, and there it is. Yeah, now let's remove the cover of the LCD display, and there it is, the device itself. You can see the switches for head, for example, for forehead, ear, and the measuring ranges in Celsius and Fahrenheit. That's the way it is. But now we have to get the power inside this little awesome machine. There is on top, that means the probe cover. The probe cover is for protecting the inner lens sensor, and you have to take it off when measuring the ear temperature. Only the ear temperature, all other temperatures measuring is able to get with this probe cover. So let's go to the battery setting. You have to get inside the device to get the power by using the two AAA batteries in the machine, of course. Slide the battery cover off along the marked direction. Put two AAA batteries correctly into the compartment. The directly way is the top side of the battery is a plus pole, and the minus pole is at the opposite side, and the opposite side means the minus pole is to get on the area for the springs. There it is. Yeah, good job. Now you can see the device is ready to use. Close the cover and job's done. Now let's try a little bit. So let's go. We are going to have forehead measurement, and that is so easy. And I will show you for this. First step, clean your forehead, and then push the forehead button to boot the device easily. One step. And now you can see, get it onto your forehead, slide it a little bit, and keep pressing the forehead button for a while. And then you can see 36.8 degrees Celsius. The push button on the bottom side you can use to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, of course. Again, push, and then it's ready to use. Push and hold and get on your forehead. And then you can see the measurement is done after, I think, 3 seconds. That is nice and easy going. Let's go to the next option of this easy going and useful devices. Let's move to the ear button. Press the ear button to power on the device. Take off the probe cover. Fit the probe snugly into the ear canal. Press and release the ear button in 1 second. The beep is heard. You can now read the value. That is easy. Please make sure that the ear is clean with no earwax or obstructions. The right ear reading may differ from the left reading. Therefore, always take the temperature in the same ear. You can see I pushed one time the ear button, then the device was booted, and then I get it into my ear and push the button only for 1 second. And then there it is. The measuring is done. 36 degrees Celsius. Good job. Shutdown is after 10 seconds. This is power saving. And you can see the sign on top. This is the year sign. That means we are in the year measuring program. The next feature is to take the room object temperature. When the thermometer is power off, press the ear button for 3 seconds and hold it 3 seconds until the display shows a house. So hold and push. Then press the ear button to measure. Keep the thermometer about 1 until 5 centimeters away from the object. Press and release the ear button in 1 second. The beep is heard. You can now read the value, 25 degrees Celsius in this case. Nice. After measurement, once the reading has been completed, remove the thermometer away from the forehead, ear, and observe temperature. After each measure, you can enter the recall mode and early temperature reading. This is easy. Read your temperatures is awesome too because it saves so many different measurements in the past. To set the 35 sets of your memory data is to do like this. When the thermometer is turned on, keep pressing the ear button for 3 seconds to go to the memory mode. Press this button again to check the 35 sets of memories one by one. If no value, it will display -, and then you can switch between all measurements in the past. This is a nice and easy function, easy to use and nice to turn on and turn off, of course. That it is. The Oittm infrared thermometer is easy to use. It has so many different options you can use, and this is a small device that is important for every mom and every dad out there because it fixes or it matches two babies and little children's. Though, how to clear the memory is only get one battery out and dip it back in position. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Yeah, soon. There it is. Nothing is safe yet. Good job.